In this video, I will show you how to pay with Klarna on AliExpress. To do this, you want to go and open up the Klarna app, and from within the home screen, click on the search bar and just going to search for AliExpress and select it. From there, you can then see right here how you can use it, so you can create a one-time card and use it at checkout like a normal card. What you want to do is just click on continue to aliexpress.com, and then from here you can go and sign into your account, or you can do this later, but just find a product you want to buy. For example, I'll select this one and then just add it to your cart or click buy now, and then from there you will be prompted to sign in. So just gonna sign into your AliExpress account, and then it will redirect you to checkout. Now there you want to select that you want to pay with a debit or credit card, and then in the bottom of the screen click on pay with Klarna, and then click create one-time card. Now here just enter however much you need for your AliExpress order, so how much you want to spend, for example 20 euros, then click continue, and then from there you can then see this, so you can read the terms, and if you want you can click on agree and create card, and from there you will then get the card details that you can use on AliExpress as a normal debit or credit card. So enter those card details, and then you will be able to spend however much you added to your card. So that's how to pay with Klarna on AliExpress. So the money that you spend will be taken from your Klarna balance, even if you don't currently have a balance, but you will need to pay that back, of course. So in the wallet section on the Klarna app, you can see the balance right there, and you can also go to payments to find them. So now you know how to pay with Klarna on AliExpress. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.